Hey y'all, what's up? This is Snow and you're here at Snow by the Day, and I'm here to make another plan with me. Should be a short one. I just feel like stickering and watching a movie, so I'm just gonna start this video right now. But y'all, look how cute this is, the washi. I already put some of the washi down because yeah, I don't feel like editing all that, so let's get into it. All right, let's lay down this wonderful purple washi. It's my favorite color in the world, and it goes right with that font that's on my washi. Oh, happy day. Yes, oh, happy day. Y'all, I need all of the motivation in the world because your girl is lazy. Your girl is lazy. I'm gonna tell the truth. This is a plan with me for this week, but I'm halfway through it this week because I'm making this plan with me on Wednesday. You know, they say, tell the truth, shame the devil. So I'm telling y'all the truth. I'm doing this on Wednesday, and I filmed it, I edited it, and I uploaded it all in the same day. So yes, I'm lazy, but when I finally get motivated, I'm motivated. And you might see a little couple sprinkles of some new things in this video. You know what I'm saying? Because I might not be making the videos, you know, but I am researching some things that I can do to spice it up a little bit, because I know when I get bored or if I don't feel like my projects are up to my standards, I just be like, well, I'm just not gonna do it. So I might not be putting out videos, but I'm definitely been researching like how I can spruce my videos up, because I don't have the moolah for no MacBook. So I'm just gonna have to make it do what it do with this iPhone and the limited memory that it has. You get what I'm saying? And so with that, I'm on YouTube a lot trying to figure out how I can spice this up a little bit so we can add some more music, so we can add some more like little details, some more little, you know, little things going on in the video. So I hope y'all notice it. If you do notice it, let me know down in them comments, you know, some new things that you saw, you know, give me a little toot honk and let me know what y'all think about it. But okay, this video is almost halfway done, but y'all, I love the color. I love the color scheme. You know, I'm a white space planner, so I had to keep it fresh. Not too many stickers, but just enough. That's when you have to coordinate with all your stickers and your colors so that you don't have to do too much. That's a pro tip. Have a color scheme, because if you have a color scheme, you don't need to fill up your planner with stickers, unless that's what you want to do, and girl, that's your prerogative, okay? But yeah, you see me fooling around with this sticker. Like in my head, I envision everything, but then when I start laying the stickers down, I was like, ooh, it's getting too cluttered. I can't deal with it. It gives me anxiety. So I had to move some things around, you know what I'm saying? Just had to lift up, really rip up some stickers, but you know, I'm a pro. I know how to rip a sticker, baby. It ain't nothing. Okay, just like you subscribing, it ain't nothing but a click of the button. So I hope you've done that. So far, if you've gotten this far in this video, I would greatly appreciate it. It looks like I finally got it together. Yeah, that looks real nice. Now that might be a little too much. Yeah, that's too much. That right there. Sometimes you just gotta keep it simple, clean, fresh, simple. Nice touch, Snow. Nice touch. Now what you doing, girl? Oh yeah. You know, as I always be cutting my stickers. I know a lot of people be having like, don't cut your stickers. Girl, I'm cutting my stickers because I'm gonna waste it. I know I'm not. I probably 3 really is a safe number of things that I'm doing during quarantine. 3 things. Because after I'm done with the first thing on the to-do list, I'm really ready to shut my laptop down and take a break. So 3 is a safe number. So instead of wasting those whole little dot strips, just cut them up. And you see, on the weekend, I'm definitely really not doing nothing. I'm really kind of flossing, acting like I'm doing something on a Saturday. But it is what it is, and we're going to keep moving forward, boo. All right, you guys, my plans are all done, cute and purple, just the way I like it. Purple's my favorite color, and this is so cute. Don't you think? I think so. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.
Why is it called washi tape? Do you know? Comment down below.